we're at a lot of the damages from the storm here in Albany, and trees down everywhere. Got a lot of people still without power. A lot of problems still going on. I mean, this is ridiculous. Insurance companies saying a lot of trees are rotten. Well, I would say a good bit of them are, but you see a lot of green ones too. You got all kinds of debris up and down this road here. Just everything. Looking good. All these debris everywhere. Good bit of debris everywhere. This is ridiculous, man. You got to be kidding me. It's like a ghost town. Let's ride through here to the park. See what we got here in the park. Look at this. Laying over the road right here. Tree damage everywhere. Broke trees, stuff all over the road. Magnolias are down. Man, this is just some of the stuff. This isn't even half of it from what's fell and even destroyed the children's playground right here. You got damage right here where this tree's fell. Man, that's just terrible.